When it comes to finding the perfect gift for the car enthusiast in your life, Christmas and New Year present a unique opportunity to combine practicality with creativity. Car lovers are a passionate bunch, and the right gift can make their driving experience even more enjoyable. Let's dive into some thoughtful, exciting, and downright cool gift ideas for 2024 that any car lover would appreciate. Start with a dash of technology. Portable jump starters are an underrated lifesaver that no car owner should be without. They're compact, easy to use, and often come with USB ports to charge other devices. Imagine your loved one being the hero of the holiday season when they help someone stranded in the snow with a dead battery. Speaking of tech, how about a high-quality dashcam? Modern dashcams not only capture beautiful road trip footage, but also provide safety and legal backup in case of accidents. For those who take pride in keeping their cars spotless, a professional-grade car cleaning kit could be the way to go. Look for kits with microfiber towels, foam cannons, and high-quality cleaning solutions to keep that paint job gleaming. Pair it with a cordless handheld vacuum, and you've got the ultimate duo for interior and exterior upkeep. If your car lover is all about the details, personalized accessories make a memorable gift. Custom floor mats or seat covers featuring their favorite sports team, a monogram, or even their car's logo are thoughtful options. Alternatively, a high-end steering wheel cover or a sleek set of alloy pedal covers can add a touch of luxury to any vehicle. For the road trippers and adventurers, think utility. A portable tire inflator is a practical yet impressive gift that they'll thank you for every time they need it. Add in a compact rooftop cargo box or a stylish trunk organizer to make their travel smoother. If you want to go the extra mile, gift a subscription to a roadside assistance service. It's the gift of peace of mind. Car-themed gadgets are another winner. From tire pressure monitoring systems to OBD-II scanners that give real-time health updates about the car, these tools are not just functional but fascinating for gearheads. For a touch of whimsy, consider LED interior lights that can be synced with music, perfect for those who love a bit of flair. For the coffee-loving driver, a travel mug that plugs into the car's USB port to keep their beverage warm is a practical gift. Alternatively, a car air purifier or essential oil diffuser can elevate the ambience of any car interior. And let's not forget the collector crowd. Die-cast models of their dream car or an iconic classic are bound to impress. Look for limited edition releases or custom models that match their actual ride. Finally, consider gifting experiences. A day at a racetrack, a car detailing workshop, or even tickets to a car show can create memories that last a lifetime. What's the most unforgettable car-related gift you've ever received? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and ideas.